1974 Alfa Romeo GTV 2000. Price, $16,750. The 1974 Alfa Romeo GTV 2000 is one of those rare classic sports cars that instantly captures attention with its unmistakable Italian style and timeless character. Finished in its original beige Cava factory color and paired with a black interior, this elegant coupe represents an era when Alfa Romeo built some of the most exciting driver's cars in the world. Even standing still, the GTV 2000 looks fast, sophisticated, and ready to turn heads wherever it goes. The exterior design remains a masterpiece decades after it first left the factory. Chrome bumpers, classic steel wheels, dual exhaust tips, and the beautifully balanced body lines create a look that is both sporty and refined. Unlike many modern vehicles that rely on aggressive styling, the Alfa Romeo GTV 2000 achieves its appeal through simplicity, proportion, and pure Italian design excellence. It is the kind of car that enthusiasts stop to admire at every car show and gathering. The interior continues the classic Alfa Romeo experience with bucket seats, a wood dashboard, Jaeger gauges, and a beautiful personal wood-rimmed steering wheel. Every detail reminds you that this was built during a time when driving was meant to be an engaging and emotional experience. Features such as vent windows, opening rear quarter windows, and manual controls add to the authentic vintage atmosphere that collectors love. The GTV 2000 was engineered to deliver more than just good looks. Under the hood sits an engine equipped with the legendary Spica mechanical fuel injection system, paired with a highly desirable 5-speed manual transmission. Combined with 4-wheel disc brakes and Alfa Romeo's renowned chassis tuning, this coupe earned a reputation for providing an exciting driving experience. Many enthusiasts still consider the GTV series one of the finest driver's cars of the 1970s. The most exciting part of this opportunity is its potential. Although this Alfa Romeo is currently not running and has spent time in garage storage, it offers an incredible foundation for restoration. For collectors and classic car enthusiasts, finding a largely complete example with original features can be far more valuable than purchasing an already restored vehicle. This is a chance to bring a legendary Italian sports coupe back to life and make it your own. The classic car market continues to grow, and vintage Alfa Romeos have become increasingly desirable among collectors worldwide. Their combination of Italian craftsmanship, motorsport heritage, and limited availability has helped drive strong interest in models like the GTV 2000. Restored examples often become prized possessions that attract attention wherever they appear. The fact that this iconic Alfa Romeo can be purchased for just $16,750 makes the opportunity even more remarkable.